Afternoon folks, following our recent communication, as promised, a walk around video of the SLK, a sort of walks and all, so I will look at it as if you were physically here looking at the car yourself and picking as many holes in it as possible. But I've got to say, I think all in all, the car is in very, very good order, bearing in mind its age, etc. But I'll let you make judgment on that obviously yourselves. Walking up to the car, you've got offside front bumper corner, which is not scuffed, marked, chipped or anything remotely similar. Headlamp obviously again all in good order and quite clear in fairness. I mean, some of these can weather over the years, but actually all in good order. If I just take you down there, you will see good tyre tread depth across the whole of the front offside tyre, and the offside front wheel is free of any marks, chips or scuffs, as you can see. Front wing offside, again all in good order, no parking dents, no marks or scuffs to sort of tune into or highlight to you, so all in good order. And the same with the driver's mirror cover, again all in very good order. Very, very tiny little mark right on the leading edge there, which I'm sure we could touch in and take the eye off of, but to all intents and purposes, not a problem at all. Driver's door, again, no parking dents or marks to sort of focus on or zoom in on, and door handle, etc., all in good order, as you can see in the surrounds of the door handle. Again, leading edge of the door has got this protective strip on the very, very edge, so the person previously obviously did care enough to try and protect the edges of the door. And I'll now take you to the inside of the car. So inside, we'll start with the seal and scuff plates. Again, I mean, some light marks on the chrome scuff plate, but certainly nothing that would concern anybody at all. Driver's seat, as you'll see, all in good order, and the seat bolster there, again, all in good order. No rips, no tears, and nothing, and certainly no odours that would detract you from inside the car at all. We'll whiz in and we'll start up. Obviously I didn't let the preheat run, but so 68,554 miles on the clock as we sit here. As you'll know, it's got the Becker navigation system, which is just there. It's obviously loading as we speak, so I'll show you the roof operation, etc. in the meantime. Heater controls and telephone controls, etc. all pretty much, I'm sure, similar to what you have in the current car. With regard to roof operation, so we'll do that for you now. As you can see, roof operation all good, and you've got the wind deflector obviously in situ just behind the seats obviously, which will give you a little bit of protection when the roof is down itself. We'll do the alternative operation, so I can show you the actual roof itself as and when, but coming back to your nav, obviously if we whiz in there, you'll see it load. I get this is an older system, so it may even not even be something that you use, but it is fitted to the vehicle and obviously shows the location of ourselves as we are currently. So I'll have a walk around the centre console, by the way. Again, no nasty marks or anything there, and obviously the buttons, etc., for your roof just there. Coming out, so we've now got the offside rear quarter. Now at certain angles there is a small parking dent somewhere in this area, but to be honest I don't think you'll pick it up on the video, and I can't see it necessarily at this angle anyway, so I don't think it's anything that you would want to be concerned about at all. In fact, I think you have to go to this angle, and even then it's light, it's just there, and you probably won't even pick it up in the video. It is negligible, genuinely negligible. So you've then got offside rear wheel, again not scuffed or marked, so all in good order. and then good tread depth again across the that rear tyre. Coming up, nothing really to report, I don't think, on the bumper here. There's a bit of dirt there. Other than that, it's all good, and the bumper itself all in good order across the back. So nothing for us to highlight. And again, just looking around, obviously you've got the boot and so on. Again, no scratches or marks that I can see, or that are visible, or certainly nothing that wouldn't polish out. Inside the boot, as you know, you've got the cover to prevent you sort of loading too high, and that's exactly as you would expect to see it. So nothing there for us to worry about. Coming around, you've got obviously near side rear bumper corner. Again, no scuffs or marks. And if I just do that, we'll get an idea of tyre tread depth across the tyre itself. Now on this panel here, you may pick it up in the video, there is a very, and I mean very slight sort of parking dent, which if I move the angle of this, you can pick up or you miss. It's as simple as that. Passenger door here has also got a protective strip on the leading edge, so one would hope nothing untoward underneath. And passenger seat, like the driver's seat, in fact obviously better than the driver's seat, is all in very, very good order. Roof again, I did mention that I would run you over this. There was absolutely nothing for me to focus on there at all. It's all as clean as it should be. Passenger door, again, no parking dents or marks in here. And the mirror, again, all in one piece with just a very, very tiny little mark, if you're being pedantic, on the very, very end, which I can pick up there. Near side front wing, again, nothing for me to focus on or highlight to you. And then you've got, obviously, near side front wheel, again, free of any marks. So none of them curved or touched the curbs, etc. Accordingly, coming round, you've got obviously near side front bumper corner, as you are there, and then you have obviously the bonnet, which again I'm sure there's a couple of little chips on there, but certainly nothing that you would focus on. Okay, that's me done. Give us a call obviously once you've had a look at the video and let us know what your thoughts are. Thank you.